Hola, one large pharaohs. Naligang ko dito. Tutuyo ko na po dito. Nagipod. Iya. Ya, bakalin. Tutural ko yun. Walis.
Anak? Anak?
Ikaw? Ngayon, patuyo-tuyo ko.
Hirap ko.
Hmm?
Hirap ko. Tignan mo ako.
Ito, scale lang mo. I'm fine. Hello, Prati. Super cute. You're wonderful. Thank you. Okay, left to fine. Is Mandy... Oh my God. Share live, guys. Pa-share ng live. And please, we're very sexy. Hello, ako, Con. I comment on your video. Okay, later I will see it. Michi. Hello, Redmi. Hi. Who's starting it from? Please follow my Patreon account on my Patreon. I have put there the link. The link. Who is? What's who is? Hey, this move. Hey, smooth. Too real. Panty shoe, no panty shoe me. Go to my Patreon. There's you can see. You like my name? Why, smooth too real. You're from? Yeah, I will read later. How's your day going? It's fine. You're pretty sexy. Go ahead. Hi. Can you join to my channel? Which part of the Philippines? I'm in Mindanao because I'm Bisaya. Hi. Hi, Haki Car my short. Hello guys, please be a member of my channel. I have there my super stickers. You're from St. Louis, no USA. Okay, shout out to you. It's moved to real. You're the I hope you subscribe to my channel and comment there. I hope also Smoothie to join my membership. Yes, to go to Mactan. Oh, Mactan is far from here. Hi, Madam New. Rose Life Vlog. Hi. From Turkey. Hi, Ricky Bear. South Korea, which country is there? Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Rose in Vlog, which country? Philippines. Hello, mabuhay, Philippines. Which are you from? From Philippines. And hello, Americana singer. Hello, hi. Hello, Mike Park. I don't understand what's your power. I did one research project in time. So I'm bang bang in the Philippines. What do you mean by bang bang? Oh my god, I have a lot of friends Philippines, very kind of friendly people. Yes. You're looking cute and hot. Thank you.